Hi children, I am Miss Divya Rohit. Hope all are safe. Today we are going to learn GK. Our first lesson is environmental organization. So what are environmental organization? Environmental organization means those organization which works to protect the environment globally, nationally or regionally. That means these organization work to protect the environment worldwide, nation-wise and regional-wise. And these organizations try to solve problems such as habitat destruction, poaching and pollution in different ways. And these organizations are running to solve problems such as habitat destruction. Habitat destruction means the environment in which we live, the destruction of the environment for any animal or human being or whatever it is. Poaching and pollution. Poaching means illegal killing, illegal hunting, like that, and pollution in different ways. These organizations try to solve all these problems. Let us see some of the environmental organizations. First one, this organization started by Bill Travers fights for the right of wild animals to remain in the wild, and the name of the organization is Born Free Foundation. This Born Free Foundation is started by Bill Travers, and the purpose of this organization is to fight for the right of the wild animals to remain in the forest itself. Many animals are being brought out of forest by the human for some purposes like elephants, monkeys, etc. And this organization protests against that and fight for the wild animals' right to remain in their forest. Next one, this campaign founded by Lady Dowding works against the abuse of animals for various purposes like vivisection, ivory trade, etc. Vivisection means the practice of performing operations on live animals, and uh, for the purpose of experimentation or scientific research such as etc. They are doing vivisections on live animals, and ivory trade. And this campaign, which is founded by Lady Dowding, name of the campaign is Beauty Without Cruelty, is working against the abusement of animals. Next one, this organization protested against building a large dam across the Narmada River, one of the main rivers in India. And the name of the organization is Narmada Bachao Andolan. And this was led by Medha Padkar. She protested against building the large dam across the river due to some environment issues. And the name of the organization is Narmada Bachao Andolan. Next one, this organization donates money to conduct programs in different countries to conserve biological diversity. Biological diversity means variability among living organizations regarding genes, species, etc. And this organization donates money for conducting different researches and programs in different countries. And the name of the organization is Worldwide Fund for Nature. Next one, this is an international organization that protests against environmental problems in a non-violent manner. And the name of the organization is Greenpeace. It works worldwide to protect the environment, and it protests against these problems in a non-violent manner, which is one of the best feature of this organization. Next is strange plants. We can see many plants, many species of plants in nature, and some of the plants have some unique characters which make them strange. And let us see some of the strange plants here. First one, this plant produces the largest flower clusters. Once the flowers are produced, the tree dies. Usually in all plants, when it flowers, it will not die, but this plant, which once it flowers, it will die, and it produces the largest flower clusters. So only once it will flowers, and that time it flowers, it produces largest flower clusters, and once it flowers, the tree will die. And the name of this plant is Thalipod palm, and the unique character is that once it flowers, the tree will die. Next one, the Leaves of this plant looks as if they have been cut into perfect hearts. It grows in Thai forest, and name of this plant is sweetheart Hoya. The special feature or the character which make this plant strange is its the shape of its leaves. Its leaves looks like perfect hearts. It is in the shape of hearts, and this plant grows in Thai forest, and the name of the plant is sweetheart Hoya. Next one, this plant grows at a rate of up to 45 centimeter to 1 meter in a day. And this plant, the feature of this plant is that it grows up to 45 centimeter to 1 meter in a day. And its name is giant kelp seaweed. Giant kelp seaweed. It grows like a giant. From a minimum of 45 centimeter, it will grow in a day, and up to 1 centimeter in a single day. Next one is, this plant produces the world's largest seed. It grows only in Seychelles, and the name of this plant is giant fan palm. And this the great largest seed is produced by this plant, which is one the unique character of this plant, and which make it a strange plant. And it will only grow in Seychelles, and the name of the plant is giant fan palm. And the last one is, this is a parasitic plant and has no chlorophyll. It is found in South Africa. Parasitic plant means it depends on other plants or it grows on other plants. And this plant is having no chlorophyll content in it. And it is found only in South Africa. And the name of this plant is Hydrona africana. Today we have learned about some of the environmental organization as well as strange plants. I will be back to you soon with the next session. Till then, stay safe, stay home, keep learning. Thank you.